Quick video today on how to reset your service light, the spanner light, which is the one that comes up top corner there on your Nissan Juke. This is a 2015 model. We're going to be using the two buttons down here and the ignition key. So we're going to turn the ignition on and straight away press the right hand button when it lights up in the dash. So turn it on, press it when it lights up and it'll start flashing. That's it, then release, turn the ignition off, and then we'll turn the ignition back on. We're going to press both buttons together. Ignition on, both buttons together. It starts flashing again. There we go. And then release, and press the right hand button. There we go. It's gone to 18,000. Press it again. And you can cycle through however many you want it to be. So we'll go all the way back up to 18,000. Set your own 17 and a half, 18, there we go. And then simply cycle the ignition and it's reset. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.